All right, Hyundai Sonata, Kia Optima most commonly, but any one of these Kia vehicles can do this. That loud pop left to right. Underneath here, inside of here, in this integration module of the steering, there's a little plastic fin that I'll show you. It's just that big. It's a steering coupler. It's a bushing in there that makes up the slot between the two splines of that gear and the column gear. And when it wears out, that noise is the play in there that the plastic cannot compensate for anymore because it deteriorates. And I will give you an open example. Also, if you look further down my YouTube page, it was quite a while ago, there is an R and I on this, and there is just a breakdown of the coupler.